Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to deposit on SuperEX Exchange. It's another trading platform like Binance. You can see how to transfer USDT coin into how to deposit it into the SuperEX Exchange. First of all, you need to click on your SuperEX Exchange. You can see I have at least 1,276 on it. It's my first time on depositing on the account, so I click on my USDT. I click on a deposit. You can see they are teaching me how to do it. So next, deposit. You see that you click TRC20 or Binance. I'm clicking on Binance chain PIP20, and they say the minimum deposit is 000, not up to 1 USDT you can deposit. So you click on copy, go to your Binance account. You can see this is a new account. You can see I have 10 USDT inside my. I click on my USDT, click on deposit. No, I click on withdraw, because we are depositing into our SuperEX account. I click on send via crypto network. I paste the address. Don't forget it's PIP20. If you are using ERC or TRC, you click TRC, but this is PIP20. You can see I click on mass. You can see they will charge 0.29. I click on withdraw. You can see I click on confirm, verify now. I don't know why they are. This is not my first time of sending it. So I click on withdraw, confirm. After confirming it, I need to do my mobile verification. That's my 2-way factors. For the mail, actually I need to receive a pop-up now. Let's see. Let's go to my mail. Submit. You can see I've deposited 10 USDT into my SuperEX account. Let's see when it arrives. You can view the history. Processing. You can see it's processing. You can see it. This is my first time of sending USDT into the SuperEX Exchange. Let's go to the SuperEX Exchange. Let's see if the money has arrived here. The money has not arrived yet. Money has not arrived yet. The money has not arrived yet. You can see. And the money has not been moved out from my Binance account into the SuperEX Exchange. Let's wait and see how it goes. Let's click on the is on processing. You can see processing. You can see that confirmation is 3 out of 15. It's 3 out of 15. Let up. is 10 out of 15. We are getting there. You can see the confirmation is 10 out of 15. Let's check on the SuperEX account. Maybe the money has been deposited into my USDT wallet. You can see my USDT wallet is already is locked already. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. The confirmation is already at, I think the money has should be, yes, you can see a pop-up. You have successfully withdraw 10 points. You can see SuperEX has just messaged me that the money has been deposited. Let's check into my account. You see, the money has been deposited into, it's been deposited successfully into my SuperEX account. You can see we receive it. You can see deposited. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss another episode. Thank you.